In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to equip cosmetics in Cursed Arena. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Cursed Arena has a lot of custom cosmetics that you can equip. Now, of course, you can change the appearance of your Roblox avatar if you believe that that is what you want, and that's gonna be quicker. But if you are playing on Cursed Arena and you go over to this little hat icon between gift and settings, you will be able to find accessories. So these are the costumes or cosmetics that they offer. So they are going to have shirts, so you have the strongest one, apprentice uniform, sorcerer's uniform. You can have a lot of hats, so you have glasses like Gojo's shades, Volcano's head, jack-o'-lantern, and then you have accessories like scarf, panda gloves, and so on, and you will be able to get all of these through various means. So first, if you just want to equip these, just go ahead and click on any accessories or cosmetic that you own. By clicking on them, you will be able to see them on your character. You will notice that I don't have any. I apologize. I won't be able to show you how it looks. But regardless, just click on them. Now, if you want to purchase these, you just have to hold and buy. So if you hold the button on any of these accessories or cosmetics here, you will be able to purchase them. Of course, if they cost yen. Now, some of these are going to be through different objectives. So for example, this one you get after 5 boss kills. This one you have to get the Sorcerer Cape Pass for 500 Robux. And some of these are going to be dropped from bosses. So if you participate in killing any of these bosses, and you are in the top 3 damage dealers, this is very important, you will have a chance of getting one of these drops here, including Volcano's head, and in the case of the strongest boss, Gojo's shades. So all that you have to do to get and equip accessories is to go over to this little hat icon, see the requirement below, and if you already have the requirement done, or if you have the necessary amount of yen, buy them and then click once to equip, and you will see them reflected on your Roblox character. And like I said, if you don't have the necessary amount of yen, or you don't want to go through the trouble of getting them through boss kills, you can simply just change your Roblox avatar. I hope I was able to help you on how to earn yen and equip cosmetics in Cursed Arena. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.